Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in technology. Today we're diving into the world of digital microscopes to bring you the top 5 contenders in the market. From professional use to hobbyist delight, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's zoom in. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Boya BA25 digital microscope. The Boya BA25 digital microscope is designed to provide high-definition imaging and versatile functionality for both professional and educational purposes. Here's an overview of its advantages and potential drawbacks. Pros: high-definition LCD display. The Boya BA25 digital microscope features a 7-inch high-definition LCD display, which provides clear and detailed views of the specimens being examined. This large screen is beneficial for group viewing and presentations. Versatile CCD camera options. The microscope comes with various CCD camera options, allowing users to choose the best camera for their specific needs. This versatility enhances the usability of the microscope for different types of analysis and research. Video and photography capabilities. With the ability to capture both videos and still images, this microscope allows users to document their findings easily. This feature is particularly useful for creating records of observations and sharing results with others. Dedicated lifting bracket. The dedicated lifting bracket provides flexibility in positioning the microscope. Users can adjust the base and bracket as needed, ensuring the best possible viewing angle and comfort during extended use. High-speed image transmission. The Boya BA25 digital microscope boasts a 1200W high-definition image sensor that ensures high-speed image transmission with no delay. This real-time transmission is crucial for applications requiring immediate feedback and analysis. High-frequency zoom camera. The high-frequency zoom camera offers up to 1600x magnification, allowing for detailed examination of microscopic structures. The focal length range of 1040 mm and object distance of 2 cm provide a wide magnification range and flexibility in focusing. Easy-to-use controls. The button functions and focus wheel are designed for ease of use. The focus wheel allows for precise adjustments, and the smart buttons facilitate easy switching between functions. Clear button engraving further simplifies operation. Cons. Potential complexity for beginners. While the Boya BA25 digital microscope offers advanced features, these may be overwhelming for beginners. Users new to digital microscopes might require a learning period to fully utilize all functions and capabilities. Limited portability. Given its 7-inch LCD display and dedicated lifting bracket, the Boya BA25 digital microscope is not as portable as more compact models. This might limit its use in fieldwork or locations where mobility is essential. Power consumption. High-definition displays and advanced imaging features can lead to significant power consumption. Users need to ensure a stable power supply for extended use, which might be a constraint in some settings. The Boya BA25 digital microscope offers numerous advantages, including a high-definition LCD display, versatile camera options, video and photography capabilities, a dedicated lifting bracket, high-speed image transmission, a high-frequency zoom camera, and user-friendly controls. However, it also presents potential drawbacks such as complexity for beginners, limited portability, high power consumption, a fixed object distance, and cost considerations. Despite these cons, the Boya BA25 digital microscope is a powerful tool for detailed and dynamic microscopic analysis, suitable for both professional and educational applications. Next up at number 4, we have the Joshe JE02 digital microscope. The Joshe JE02 digital microscope is a feature-rich device designed for both professional and hobbyist use. It offers a larger screen, high magnification, and several user-friendly features. Below are the detailed pros and cons of this digital microscope. Pros. Larger 10.1 IPS screen. The microscope features a large 10.1-inch IPS screen, which is 42% larger than standard 7-inch LCD screens. This larger screen allows for ultra-clear and vibrant image viewing, reducing eye fatigue. The wide 178° viewing angle and 90° rotation provide an exceptional viewing experience from various angles. Perfect for coin examination. With a taller 12-inch stand, the Joshe JE02 digital microscope offers a higher and larger field of view, making it ideal for coin examination. The ample working space and magnification of up to 1600x allow users to capture intricate details of coins with precision. Built-in rechargeable battery. The microscope is equipped with a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery, providing up to 2 hours of continuous usage on a full charge. Its lightweight and portable design make it suitable for outdoor explorations. Photo and video recording. Users can capture and save 12MP images and 1080p videos, enhancing the ability to document findings. The microscope can be connected to a computer via USB for real-time viewing on a larger screen, making it ideal for classroom exercises and sharing discoveries. Adjustable shadow-free illumination. The ring light with 30 bright white LED bulbs offers even, intense, and focused shadowless illumination without flickering. The dimmer control allows brightness adjustment from 01, 00, catering to different project needs, such as PCB work. Cons. Limited battery life. While the 3000 mAh battery provides up to 2 hours of continuous use, this might be insufficient for extended sessions. Users may need to recharge frequently during longer projects. Size and portability. Despite its portability, the larger 10.1-inch screen and taller stand make the microscope bulkier compared to smaller, more compact models. This might be a consideration for users who need a highly portable device. Learning curve. The advanced features and adjustments, such as the metal focusing wheel and dimmer control, may present a learning curve for beginners. Users new to digital microscopes might need some time to familiarize themselves with all functions. The Joshe JE02 digital microscope stands out with its large 10.1 IPS screen, high magnification capabilities, and user-friendly features like photo and video recording, adjustable illumination, and a wireless remote control. It is particularly suitable for detailed work, such as coin examination and PCB projects. However, potential buyers should consider factors like battery life, size, learning curve, price, and dependence on the remote control. Overall, it is a powerful tool for those needing high-quality digital microscopy. Our number 3 pick is the Hayve DM9 digital microscope. The Hayve DM9 digital microscope is a versatile tool designed for various applications, from examining coins to inspecting circuit boards. Here are the detailed pros and cons of this digital microscope. Pros. 7-inch large LCD screen. The Hayve DM9 features a large 7-inch LCD screen with a 12MP high-definition camera, providing a broad field of view for easy and instant viewing. The adjustable angle of the screen enhances the visual experience, allowing users to quickly adjust images and view details clearly. PC connectivity for larger view. This microscope can be connected to a PC or laptop, compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. The plug-and-play feature eliminates the need for additional software downloads. For Windows 10, the default software Windows Camera is used, while Photo Booth is suitable for iMac MacBook, facilitating data sharing and analysis on a larger scale. Wide magnification range. The Hayve DM9 offers 10-1200x digital magnification, enabling users to see minute details, such as errors on coins or damaged components on circuit boards. This wide magnification range ensures a detailed and immersive viewing experience. 2 extra metal goose lights. The microscope comes with 2 extra flexible metal goose lights. These lights can be powered independently, providing illumination from different angles and ensuring that the entire viewing area is bright. The flexibility of the lights allows users to adjust them according to their needs, enhancing the viewing experience. Simple PC connection operations. Connecting the microscope to a PC is straightforward. Users can set the microscope to PC camera mode and then run the appropriate camera software on their computer. This ease of connection makes it simple to switch between the microscope's built-in screen and a larger PC display. Cons. Screen size limitation. While the 7-inch screen is large enough for many applications, it might still be considered small for users who require an even larger viewing area. This could be a limitation for those who prefer more extensive displays for detailed work. Learning curve for advanced features. While the microscope is user-friendly, the advanced features such as connecting to a PC and adjusting various settings might present a learning curve for beginners. Users new to digital microscopes may need time to familiarize themselves with all functions. Magnification and focus handling. Achieving the desired focus and magnification might require practice. Users need to be adept at adjusting the zoom and focus to get the clearest images, which can be challenging, especially at higher magnifications. The Hayve DM9 digital microscope stands out with its large 7-inch LCD screen, wide magnification range, and the ability to connect to a PC for larger views. The inclusion of two flexible metal goose lights enhances the illumination and viewing experience. However, potential users should consider the screen size limitation, the need for external lights, and the learning curve for advanced features. Overall, the Hayve DM9 is a powerful and versatile tool suitable for detailed examination tasks, offering a mix of convenience and advanced functionality. Coming in at number 2, we have the Andonstar AD210 digital microscope. The Andonstar AD210 digital microscope is a versatile tool designed for a variety of close-up inspection tasks, featuring a large display, robust magnification capabilities, and multiple lighting options. Below is an in-depth look at its pros and cons. Pros: large screen size. The Andonstar AD210 comes with a substantial 10.1-inch screen. This large display allows users to view details clearly and comfortably without straining their eyes, making it ideal for extended use. Wide magnification range. With a magnification range of 5x to 260x, the AD210 is versatile enough for various applications, from simple observations to detailed inspections of small objects. This flexibility makes it suitable for hobbyists and professionals alike. High-quality image and video. The 2-megapixels HD sensor ensures that both images and videos are captured in high definition. The microscope supports video resolutions up to FHD 1920x 1080 at 30 fps, ensuring smooth and clear recordings. Additionally, the maximum photo resolution is 12 m, allowing for detailed and high-quality still images. Effective lighting. Equipped with 2 fill lights and built-in LEDs, the AD210 provides ample illumination for your subjects. This ensures that you can see details clearly, regardless of ambient lighting conditions. Ample storage options. The device supports micro SD cards up to 32 GB, providing plenty of space for storing photos and videos. This is particularly useful for documenting observations or for educational purposes. Multilingual support. The AD210 supports 12 languages, including simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, English, Japanese, French, German, Korean, Portuguese, Spanish, Russian, Thai, and Vietnamese. This makes it accessible to users from diverse linguistic backgrounds. Cons: power source dependency. The AD210 relies on a USB 5V DC power source. While this is common for digital microscopes, it does mean that the device must be connected to a power supply at all times, which can limit portability and convenience in certain situations. Moderate frame rate. The maximum frame rate of 30 frames per second FPS is adequate for most applications, but might not be sufficient for those requiring smoother video playback, particularly when capturing fast-moving subjects. Limited storage capacity. Although the microscope supports micro SD cards up to 32 GB, this might be insufficient for users who need to store a large number of high-resolution photos and videos. Frequent data transfers to external storage may be required. The Andonstar AD210 digital microscope stands out with its large 10.1-inch screen, extensive magnification range, and high-quality imaging capabilities. Its effective lighting and ample storage options make it a practical choice for detailed inspections and educational purposes. However, the lack of PC support and dependency on a constant power source might be limiting for some users. Despite these drawbacks, the AD210 offers a robust set of features that cater to a wide range of applications, making it a valuable tool for both hobbyists and professionals. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list is the Elikliv EDM201 SE digital microscope. The Elikliv EDM201 SE digital microscope is a powerful tool designed for hobbyists, educators, and professionals who need detailed magnification and high-quality imaging. Here's a detailed look at its advantages and disadvantages. Pros. Upgraded 7 IPS screen. The Elikliv digital microscope features a 7-inch IPS screen known for delivering vivid and saturated colors. This screen offers a wide 178-degree viewing angle, which is ideal for sharing observations with others. The IPS technology also ensures that there is no ghosting, stuttering, or tearing, which helps protect your eyes during prolonged use. Longer 10 stand. With a stand column that extends up to 10 inches, the microscope allows a maximum distance of 6.3 inches between the lens and the base. This extended range is particularly beneficial for viewing larger objects such as whole coins, including dimes, cents, nickels, and even large silver dollars, without the need for additional extension tubes or lifting the monitor. Excellent 10x 1200x zoom. The microscope offers a wide magnification range from 10x to 1200x, enabling users to see intricate details. This versatility makes it suitable for various applications, from inspecting small electronic components to studying biological specimens. Additionally, it can take pictures and record videos, which can be saved to a 32 GB microcard included with the device. PC connectivity for larger view. The Elikliv EDM201 SE supports both Windows and Mac OS, allowing users to connect the microscope to a computer for a larger view. This feature facilitates data sharing and analysis, enhancing the overall utility of the microscope. Users can utilize default applications like Windows Camera for Windows 10 and Photo Booth for iMac MacBook without needing to download extra software. High-quality photo and video capabilities. Beyond being just a microscope, the Elikliv EDM201 SE functions as a camera capable of capturing high-resolution images and videos. This functionality is useful for documenting observations and creating detailed records for analysis or sharing. Solid metal frame construction. The microscope boasts a durable aluminum alloy base, stand, and bracket, ensuring long-term use. This robust construction provides stability, making it suitable for tasks like microsoldering or repairing printed circuit boards. Cons. Limited stand height. While the 10-inch stand provides more flexibility than shorter stands, it may still be limiting for certain tasks requiring even greater distance between the lens and the base. Users dealing with particularly large objects might find this range insufficient. Fixed screen size. The 7-inch screen, though upgraded, might still be too small for users who prefer larger displays for more detailed viewing. While PC connectivity offers a workaround, the need to use an additional device could be seen as a drawback. Limited field of view at high magnification. At higher magnification levels, the field of view becomes quite narrow, which can make it challenging to scan larger objects or areas without constant adjustments. The Elikliv EDM201 SE digital microscope stands out with its upgraded 7-inch IPS screen, extensive magnification range, and robust construction. The longer stand and excellent photo and video capabilities add to its versatility, making it a valuable tool for various applications. However, the need for manual focus adjustment, the fixed screen size, and the lack of a built-in battery are some drawbacks to consider. Overall, it is a well-rounded microscope that offers significant advantages for detailed inspections and documentation.